Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your GoTo Meetings account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your GoTo Meetings that were recorded? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find the meeting recordings in GoTo anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing online coaching or maybe group teaching, if you record the meeting, you can download it and use it for future trainings. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your GoTo Meetings account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my GoTo Meetings account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to find your meeting recordings here on the left, make sure you've clicked on Meetings. Once you do that, you're going to see all the different meetings you have upcoming right here. However, to find your recorded meetings here on these three options, click on Past. Once you click on Past, you're going to see all of the meetings you previously had in GoTo. Now you can see that not all of these have been recorded. So 3 of these are just meetings. However, this one was recorded. So if you have a huge list of meetings, you can go ahead and click this button right here. And that way it's only going to show the meetings that were recorded, and just click on the meeting itself. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see these options up here at the top. And if you want, you can go ahead and download this recorded meeting right here, or you can go ahead and share it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your recorded meetings in GoTo, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.